Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tutor Analu, and for today's video I'm going to share to you how you are going to file your BIR Annual registration online. In this video, I'm going to share to you how to file BIR Annual registration online. First, go to bir.gov.ph and download the latest offline eBIR form. After installing the latest version of eBIR form, you may now start filing. To start, indicate your taxpayer identification number or your TIN number. Then, indicate your RDO or Revenue District Office where you are currently registered. After that, you can indicate your line of business. The question is, what should it be? Well, if you check your COR, there you can see your registered line of business. After indicating the necessary information, proceed by clicking the list of BIR forms and choose Form 0605. Then click Fill Up. After clicking Fill Up, it will lead you to BIR Form 0605. So in this picture, actually I'm just simply showing you the information I indicated. I already filed my BIR Form 0605 last January. So this is just like a reporting of what I did. So I will run through with every step in each number, and let's start from number 1. For number 1, you have to choose calendar instead of fiscal, and then number 2, year ended. So when you click calendar, it will automatically indicate 12th of December 2021. For number 3, you don't have to choose anything there because you'll be paying for the annual registration. And for number 4, you have to indicate the due date. That would be January 31st, 2021. And then number of sheets attached, so if there's none, it's 0. Then let's proceed to number 6, ATC. Here you have to choose MC180. So here you have to click the word ATC, and after clicking there, you will be led with different options, and you have to choose MC180. Then after number 6, go to number 7. That's the return period. The return period will be December 31st, 2021. Okay, or like whatever year you are registering your BIR. And now let's proceed to number 8. For number 8, click the word tax type. After clicking the word tax type, it will lead you to different options, and you have to choose RF. Okay, RF. Right, so actually the other information indicated will automatically update after you have indicated the necessary information during the login period. And then let's proceed. Next is, let's directly proceed to number 11, since you already have taxpayer identification, RDO. Now for number 11, taxpayer clarification, so I choose I for individual. Okay, for 12, that's line of business or occupation, so as I told you, it's indicated in your COR. Then for number 13, that's my name, of course. Telephone number, registered address for number 15. Number 16, that would be for the zip code. And then now let's proceed to part 17. For part 17, we have to indicate the manner of payment. So in this case, indicate others and then specify, and that would be annual registration fee. Click that one. Then after that, proceed to number 18. For number 18, so I think we have to pay it in full, right? And then for number 19, you have to indicate 500 pesos because that's the amount of money you have to pay for annual registration. And after that, that's it. Then you have to click validate when it's okay. Then proceed to saving it, and then submitting the final copy. That would be it. After that, you have to also wait for the confirmation by the BIR, which will be sent to your email address. So you have to be careful to indicate the right information in the first part of filing. Okay, so that would be for filing your Form 0605. After filing your annual registration through EBIR form, the next thing you have to do is to pay for it through Gcash. Okay, there are many ways in order to pay for it, but under this COVID-19 situation, I think and I believe that paying through Gcash is the most convenient if you have one. And to do so, the first thing you have to do, okay, step number 1, on your Gcash application, select Pay Bills. After that, select the category of government. Next, select BIR to pay. And then for step number 4, input all relevant biller details. Okay, now let's talk about the form series. So since we are paying for annual registration fee, so you have to use the 0600 form series because we are using the 0605 form. And then the return period, that would be December 31st, 2021. And then you have to enter your TIN or your taxpayer identification number, then branch code. Okay, so for the branch code, it is actually the number. If you can see your taxpayer's number, it's the last digit of that. So most of that time it's 000. Okay, and then enter the amount. That would be 500 pesos. And your email address. Don't forget to indicate your email address because that's really necessary in order to get a confirmation that you already paid your BIR annual registration fee through Gcash. After indicating all relevant biller details, now you have to confirm payment details to proceed payments. And then, by confirming that, after that, if it will be successful, then boom, then payment is successful. It's as easy as that. So thanks to the technology, things are getting easier now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, this is Teacher Analu, your online Engoo tutor. Take care.